Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Aisha, Aisha come down. Aisha come down. This love is sweet.
Honey pie. She know that woman that sell akara.
What about her?
She know that her daughter that used to form Slay Queen. What's that her name again? Oh, NK.
What about her?
She's pregnant.
So what's my business now? What it concern me again?
I don't understand.
No. What do you don't understand? Are you that jobless in this street? Please go inside and get ready so that we can go out from here.
But honey pie, are we not supposed to be gisting and gossiping as couples? That's what couples do.
See, if you want to gossip, you go to the salon and gossip. Mind your business in this street. Am I a JS3 student or classmate in JS3 that can go about gossiping with? So please, you better just go inside and get ready so that we can go out from here.
What kind of nonsense man are you? You're so boring.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Okay, I am because she's just saying.
Wait, Aisha. So you were there peeping at them?
I was there, man. You know that me, I like to go to just post hand.
So what did you say that the man told the girl?
If you were there, the man, she stand one corner, she say, Bikona, Adura, please.
Adora.
Please, let me put it small. You know, just you that I love, I don't love my wife. Once my wife, she's come back, I'm going to divorce her. Please, let me put it small, let me put it.
How can a man be saying this thing to his wife and sister?
I know, but she's not my business. I saw everything live and direct. Well, my heart, she sweet me when I saw it.
So what did the girl now tell the man?
She's...
It's like it is Kimola and the Tanzino. Whoa! This place we are going to have to wait. This is must finish. Go and open the door for them.
What kind of rain is this? You don't have legs. Go and open the door, man.
Aisha. Zukwalike.
Go and open the door.
Zukwalike, Aisha. Zukwalike.
Go and open the door. Go and open the door, man. Haba.
Tanzino. Odogwu, boo. Aisha, how are you? Una never ready. You get one just when you say Aisha the give. Let me just finish. Please. So the girl agreed or what?
Kai, I don't know what she was saying, but she looked like she wanted to agree.
That's indeed that girl. Are you sure? Odogwu, please, you people should go in and change now, so that you can continue this on our way now. You know there is traffic at Oka Road, Mona just go change a bag, please. Please, 1 minute. Just
we are almost done.
We're almost done. 1 minute, please.
This cannot wait.
The gate man, are you sure that gate man is not talking to that madam?
Hey, the way I'm seeing it, it's like the gate man, she's doing the madam.
I wish I was there to get the much of one person.
You want to get the expression of somebody else, ma?
No, I mean they call her Nas. That we just come, let's go. I want to do fast.
You see, as couples, they gossip, they cheese, they do love. You see? Did you see where Aisha insulted Odogwu? Did you see anything there? You will be talking to me and please, not today. No. Let's not embrace ourselves today. Please, I beg.
Marry your friend.
You get the why.